Mama, if they said it's gonna be 75 degrees today, but it's gonna be windy, do I need a jacket? Like, and it's still gonna be hot? Mama, I got a letter from my doctor saying I owe $100. Does that mean I owe $100? Mama, I got a call saying that my prescription is ready. Does that mean it's ready? Okay. Mama, when you doing laundry and you washing towels, where do you put it on? Do you put it on bulky sheets, or do you put it on delicates? Do you put it on normal? Do you put it on casual? Do you put it on mixed? Like what when you washing towels, what would you put it on? Mama, how do you know if cheese went bad? Like the little square, the size ones. How do you know if it went bad? Oh, okay. Mama, you know I got books on Amazon, right? Uh huh. Dakota Perry. Mm-hmm. Mama, if I have a sore throat, what do you think I should take? A cough drop or a peppermint? Which one do you think would be better? Mama, what's the difference between garlic powder and onion powder? Isn't that kind of like the same thing? Mama, if it says take one tablet by mouth once a day, I take one tablet by mouth once a day. Okay. Mama, I got this invitation for jury duty. Do I gotta go? Like, is it up? Like, do I have to go? Do I have to go to this? Mama, if it says take as needed, that means I take like when I need it? Oh, okay. Mama, I got a phone call saying that my doctor needs me to come in for a checkup. A checkup for what? Oh, okay. Mama, do you know where my doctor office is at? They didn't even go over there. And do you know where it's at? Oh, okay. Okay.